Alright guys, this is take two. So I'm cutting up some more firewood, trim some more tree branches. So I've got a few random piles laying out here in the yard. I'm hoping to eventually take that entire tree down by mid-November, and probably half of all these trees down by mid-November. But this video isn't about me trimming trees and making firewood. No, this is about me coming up with solutions on the fly. So, a few of you might know that this house is easily a 50-year-old house, possibly older. And that means that all the electrical in this house has two wires. And what that further means, with it having two wires, that means there's no ground. And so whenever I've got a 3-wire plug that needs a ground, I have to basically attach an adapter to the outlet like I did for this light right here, because this light actually has a 3-wire plug. Well, that adapter doesn't do anything as far as adding any ground to anything or grounding anything out. So I notice when I'm using this chop saw here, I'm getting kind of a staticky feel with feels like electricity's kind of slightly discharging in my hand, just a slight jolt, nothing like real bad. It's like almost the equivalence of touching like a 9-volt battery, with your tongue, that kind of feel, or feeling like you're, I don't know, maybe touching both ends of a car battery with wet, sweat-soaked hands. Like I said, the saw has a 3-wire plug. And it's into this extension cord. It's got a splitter attached to it. But that bottom portion, for you non-Americans, that is the ground. Or that would be the ground. So what I did to remedy this, I actually had to go over here to my generator, and I actually had to steal the pigtail off of it. I actually had a ground pigtail that I wired for this generator and stole it off of my generator. And I went ahead and attached it to the end of this here splitter. This splitter is actually attached to my washing machine, but those lugs just got kind of wrapping around the end of that ground, and that, like I said, that's one of the adapters right there that I put attached. And then I took those 2 alligator clips, the other end of those 2 alligator clips for this ground, and I attached them to this water pipe. This water pipe is for the gray water that comes off the washing machine. And well, voila, no more electricity, static electricity buildup from the housing that's discharging into my bare hands and causing me to get an uncomfortable tingling sensation in my hands. Albeit it's probably not life-threatening amounts of electricity, but if I had a pacemaker, probably it might mess with the pacemaker. So, but that's just an example of something that we're going to have to come up with on the fly for simple solutions for problems that may arise when the crap hits the fan. But that's all I've got. I'm Diorson. I'm out. You guys have yourselves a good one. Bye-bye.